Hello guys. Today we will discuss the basic mcqs of computer. Question number 1. What is a light pen? Option is A. A mechanical input device. B. Optical input device. C. Electronic input device. D. Optical output device. The correct answer is B. Optical input device. Question number 2. UNIVAC stand for dash. Option is A. Universal automatic computer. B. Universal array computer. C. Unique automatic computer. D. Unvalued automatic computer. The correct answer is A. Universal automatic computer. Question number 3. The capacity of 3.5-inch floppy disk was dash. Option is A. 1.40 megabytes. B. 1.44 gigabytes. C. 1.40 gigabytes. D. 1.44 megabytes. The correct answer is D. 1.44 megabytes. Question number 4. mcr stands for dash. Option is A. Magnetic ink character recognition. B. Magnetic ink code reader. C. Magnetic ink cases reader. D. None of these. The correct answer is A. Magnetic ink character recognition. Question number 5. EBCDIC stands for dash. Option is A. Extended binary coded decimal interchange code. B. Extended bit code decimal interchange code. C. Extended bit case decimal interchange code. D. Extended binary case decimal interchange code. The correct answer is A. Extended binary coded decimal interchange code. Question number 6. Which of the following is a part of the central processing unit? Option is A. Printer. B. Keyboard. C. Mouse. D. Arithmetic and logic unit. The correct answer is D. Arithmetic and logic unit. Question number 7. CAD stands for dash. Option is A. Computer-aided design. B. A computer algorithm for design. C. Computer application in design. D. A computer analog design. The correct answer is A. Computer-aided design. Question number 8. Junk email is also called dash. Option is A. Spam. B. A spoof. C. Sniffer script. D. A spool. The correct answer is A. Spam. Question number 9. Which statement describes hackers? Option is A. All have the same motive. B. Break into other people's computers. C. E may legally break into computers as long as they do not do any damage. D. Are people who are allergic to computers. The correct answer is B. Break into other people's computers. Question number 10. What type of computers are client computers, most of the time, in a client-server system? Option is A. Mainframe. B. Mini-computer. C. Microcomputer. D. PDA. The correct answer is C. Microcomputer. Question number 11. A computer cannot boot if it does not have the dash. Option is A. Compiler. B. Loader. C. Operating system. D. Assembler. The correct answer is C. Operating system. Question number 12. The amount of vertical space between lines of text in a document is called dash. Option is A. Double space, B. Align spacing, C. Single space, D. Vertical spacing. The correct answer is B. Align spacing. Question number 13. Example of non-numeric data is dash. Option is A. Employee address, B. Examination score, C. Bank balance, D. All of these. The correct answer is A. Employee address. Question number 14. What is embedded system? Option is A. The program which arrives by being wrapped in box, B. The program which is the permanent part of the computer, C. The computer which is the part of a larger system or machine, D. The computer and software system that control the machine. The correct answer is C. The computer which is the part of a larger system or machine. Question number 15. When a file is saved for the first time. Option is A. A copy is automatically printed, B. It must be given a name to identify it, C. It does not need a name, D. It only needs a name if it is not going to be printed. The correct answer is B. It must be given a name to identify it. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.